Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving paper for statistics A levels, paper code 9709, variant 52, May June 2025. We are doing question number 3. A bag contains 4 blue marbles and 12 red marbles. One marble is selected at random from the bag. If marble is blue, it is replaced, but if it is red, it is not replaced. A second marble is now selected at random from the bag. Find the probability that both marbles selected are the same color. Okay, so let's understand what kind of a scenario we have. They say that we have a bag that contains 4 blue marbles and 12 red marbles. Okay, and further what is given in this is a case where they say that if the marble is blue, it is replaced, means even if we take one, we put the one blue back in the bag, but if we take red, it is not replaced, means if we take red, then one less will be in the red and one less will be in the total. So first understand this all with the help of a tree diagram. So let's take that. We have one red, one blue, red and blue. If you take, okay, let's take blue and red in that order because it is the order written in the question, so it will be easy for us to understand. If he took one blue marble, what is the probability for him to take the one blue marble? 4 out of, what is total? Total is 12 plus 4, and that is 16. So the probability of getting a first blue marble will be 4 out of 16. Then the probability of getting a red marble will be 12 out of 16. This is what we are talking about, the first marble. Now let's understand what we will do in case of the second marble. If we are taking second marble, so the second marble, if we take, there are two conditions that either we take is blue or red. And if our first marble we took was red, then again we have two conditions. First can be blue and the second can be red. Now, if we take blue marble, if we have taken blue marble at first, then the blue marble is replaced in that. So the total and the total blue marble stays the same. So if we take another blue marble, the probability is same, 4 out of 16. And if we take a red for the second time, that is also same, 12 out of 16. Now, the condition will change when we have taken blue marble, red marble first, because it is not replaced. So when we take one blue marble, so that is one, the total is one less. So 4 out of, blue, yeah, 4 out of, one less total because one red is already taken. So 4 out of 15. And if we have already taken red, so the total is also one less and the red is also one less. So it becomes 11 out of 15. I hope you understand this. The blue was replaced, so there is no effect on the total and the total number of blue marbles. But in red, it is not replaced. So if we took one red, that means we have one less red and total one less. So now when we are done with this tree diagram, let's understand what they are asking us. Find the probability that both marbles are of the same color. So same color means that we have either blue blue or red red. So let's write that down. Probability of getting same color will be equals to either blue blue, you can have blue and blue, or red and red. So you understand or and condition also, that wherever we are using and, there is multiplication, and wherever we are using or, that is addition. So blue and blue or red and red. So we'll multiply blue and blue, that we multiply one branch, 4/16 times 4/16 plus red and red means 12/16 times 11/15. So when we add it together, we can simplify this or directly do with the calculator. You will end up getting, because we don't have a common denominator, so we have to make a common denominator and then solve it. So I will better solve it with a calculator. So it gives you 49/80 in fractions, and in decimals it gives you 0.6125. Okay, so this is about your part A. Now part B says find the probability that the first marble is blue given that the second marble is red. So you can, if you can see this is a conditional probability question. Conditional probability. In conditional probability, you have to decide what is your event A and what is given. So given always is your event B, okay, and that needs to be found is event A. So probability of that, what needs to be found, that the marble is, first marble is blue, first blue, given that, this line represents given that the second marble is red. Second red will give you probability of first blue and second red together, probability of first blue and second red together, divided by probability of second red. Now you here also you can consider the intersection, first blue intersection second red, where what is the common between these two. So let's understand this. First blue and second red, first blue and second red, this is the only thing where we have first blue, like the only possibility, first blue and second red, and secondly second red. So for the second red we have either we have first blue and second red or first red and second red. Okay, these are the two possibilities where we are getting second marble to be red. So okay, so the numerator will be blue red 4/16 times 12/16 times 12/16 divided by the probability of blue and red, that is 4/16 times 12/16 plus red and red 12 over 16 times 11 over 15. Okay, so let's solve them together. This gives you 15 over 59, and in decimals it is 0.2542. So that's your whole working for question number 3. We were supposed to find the probability for the same color given that one was replaced and one was not replaced, and we need to find the conditional probability for this given condition. So I hope you understand this question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.